Hello, I am Adi Swarupa from Mangaluru, Karnataka, and I am ambidextrous. I can write with my both hands at the same time also. And this year I've set a record with writing in my both hands. So there are 10 different types. I can write in 10 different types with my both hands. So the first one is unidirectional, and I've set record by writing unidirectional type. So second one is opposite direction, and so on. There are 10 different types also. I have 10 different talents also. So next year I'm planning to do record with my 10 talents. Like I can do mimicry, beatbox, and solving Rubik cube. I sing also. And if a teacher is going to tell me to write notes, then if they're telling while I'm writing in board, like if one teacher is going to tell in Kannada and another one in English, I can do that together. Like in left hand I can write with write in Kannada, and in right hand I can write in English. So this year I'm in SSLC, and I'm planning to write my SSLC exam with both hands.
Regarding your exclusive book record.
Yeah, exclusive world record.
World record. In which section you got that?
Yeah, in writing with both hands, I got writing with both hands simultaneously 40 words in 1 minute. That's my record right now. But now I've practiced so much. We write exam privately. My mother and father, they're director and principal of that school. So because of them, I'm motivated to do so many different things, different types of talents also.
Exclusive world record holder Adi Swarupa's mother. I am very happy to share some points as a record holder's mother to share with you. She has developed interest in left hand writing when she was given some home task in our non-formal research center, Swarupa Adhyayana Kendra. She developed gradually interest to write in both the hands simultaneously, and this lockdown time from March onwards really has turned out to be an incubation time for her. She developed the speech, writing every day, practicing every day in both the hands. And she could write in right hand in 30 words per minute. That increased to 30, 36. And simultaneously, even the single hand, left hand also increased to 36. And she tried to write simultaneously in this word by word, simultaneously, giving attention to both. So that also she was successful, and it raised from 30 to 40. It had come out very nicely. So why can't I try for record? She thought of herself, and even as we had given her freedom, she has tried out lot of varieties in this. So some 10 varieties had come out. She tried that, so she has been successful and she got the record. And in the meanwhile, when she was writing, I used to first dictate in left hand writing. For the left hand writing, I used to dictate. She was waiting for me. But when I was busy in my work, she was not waiting for me to write. So she thought of writing herself. She was only making the paras, and as she was reading, she is a sharp reader. She was reading many novels, so that all literary sense helped her a lot, and she could write instantaneously, on the spot. Spontaneously, she could write like some new literary items. She could write. So this is the development. When we give freedom, children will develop. Not only that, she was writing on her 10th birthday itself. She had released her book of stories, collection of stories, and for that each story she had drawn her own painting, and that was creative art. That was also had exhibition, one-man show she had conducted on that. Now after 5 years, I am very happy that tomorrow her birthday, for 15th, September 15th, for her birthday she has given something good contribution to the education. because this can be an inspiration to the children as they are now free and they don't know what to do, and some parents are complaining that their brains have become blunt. What to do they don't know, and online classes also they are not much interested. So now this is the right time for the parents to guide them for creativity. The creativity will bloom when they are given freedom. So Adi is a good singer and she is a mimicry beatbox player and she is playing guitar. That also online, she is self-learning. You give time for them to self-learning. Only the thing you have to do is encourage them, okay? And whatever they need, we can provide them. So we should be a facilitator. We should be a friend. Then children can develop. There is no ultimate for that. Brain cells will develop like anything. So I wish all the parents to give quality time to your children and let the education turn a different in this cross periods to the different direction. Thank you.